And my mother had grown up in Egypt, and she had been a student in the Egyptian branch of a French Jewish school, Alliance Israélite, which I understand is still in existence. She graduated from there, and then she was working as a assistant buyer in French department store. The story that's told in the family, and I don't know how much true it is, but they say it is that when they were coming in, her cousins and her aunts didn't want to be embarrassed by the immigrant, the greener. And so they came to the boat with clothes over their arms for her to change into. But here came this Paris dressed lady down the gangplank. They were very embarrassed. Didn't know how to get rid of the clothes that they had with them.